Good morning, students. In last class we saw how to do the multiplication of a monomial by monomial. In today's class we are going to solve based on that exercise 6.2. Now the first main, find the product of the following pairs of monomials. So first one 4,7p, third one minus 4p 7pq. Now see, only few I am going to solve here. You can now see what they given. Find the product of the following pairs of monomial. We have to find out the product of this. Okay, we know how to multiply a monomial by monomial. What I told? Multiply the numerical coefficients of the each term, and afterwards we have to multiply the variables. Okay, see here. Solution. First one 4 multiplied by 7p. Okay, now see here. 4 7s are 28. 28. Okay, we have to multiply the numerical coefficients. 4 into 7 is 28 multiplied by p. The answer is 28p. In the similar way, now we will solve third one. Say minus 4p multiplied by 7pq. Okay. Now multiply the numerical coefficients of this each term. What are the numerical coefficient? Here it is minus 4 multiplied by 7. Okay, multiply by, see here, p multiplied by p multiplied by q. Say minus 4 7s are 28. Okay, here. Now see here, if the same base are there, then what I told, their powers are going to be add. It will be 1 plus 1 is 2q. The answer is minus 28 p square q. Okay. In the similar way, now we will see the second main. Find the areas of rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as their length and breadth respectively. So first again p comma q, 10m comma 5n, 20x square comma 5 y square, 4x comma 3x square, 3mn, 4np. Now see here, what they given? Find the areas of rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as the length and breadth respectively. Now see here, we have to find the area of a rectangle. We know what is the area of a rectangle formula, length into breadth, right? Now what we have to find out is, they have given here length and breadth, we have to find out the area. So only one I will do, the rest all you have to try it. Okay, so solution. We know that area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay, area of a rectangle is given by the formula length into breadth. Now here in each pair you have to find out the area of a rectangle. They are given the length and the breadth. Okay, say area of rectangle. Say you will take it as a first rectangle, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, area of first rectangle is equal to, so length they have given p. P multiplied by q is nothing but pq. If your same variables are there, if the same variables are there means the powers were going to be added. Here the different base are there. If same base are there means the power will going to add. Here the different what? Different base are there. Yes or no? We can't add the powers. See, in the similar way you try for second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay. Now we will go for the fourth main. So third main you have to solve that. It is a multiplication of a monomial by monomial. See your textbook and complete that table. Now fourth main, obtain the volumes of rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth, and height respectively. See here, 5a, 3a square, 7a raised to 4. So obtain the volumes of rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height respectively. Okay, they are given the length, breadth, height. We have to find out the volume of a rectangular box. The volume of a rectangular box is given by the formula length into breadth into height. Okay, say a solution. Say volume of a rectangular box is equal to length into breadth into height. Yes. So what is length? It is 5a. 5a multiplied by breadth is 3a square multiplied by height is 7a raised to 4. Now see here, I told that how to multiply 3 monomials, right? Say at once you can multiply this. In last class what we have done? We have multiplied the two monomials. Okay. Afterwards, whatever we got the answer, this answer we multiplied with one more monomial. As otherwise, what you can do? At once only you can do the multiplication. Now see here. Here three terms are there. Yes or no? One here. This is monomial, monomial, monomial. Multiplication of three monomials. Right? Now see here. What we will do is multiply first the numerical coefficients of each monomial. See here the numerical coefficient is 5. What is the coefficient of this? It is a 3. What is the numerical coefficient of this term? It is 7. Okay. So multiplied by, see here, a multiplied by a square multiplied by a raised to 4. Okay. Now 5 3s is how much? 5 3s are 15. Okay. 15 sevens are 7 5 is 35. 7 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. It's a 105. 105 multiplied by. Now see here. Here base are same. If base are same, we can add the powers. See here. Here 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. The answer is 105 a raised to 7. Okay. So this is the way how you have to multiply the monomial by monomial. Okay. So this is about the fourth main. So now we will see the fifth main. Obtain the product of first one xy yz zx. Now obtain the product. Again it's a multiplication of three monomials. Yes or no? See here, solution xy multiplied by yz multiplied by zx. Okay. Now see here, what we will do? We will multiply the variables here. Now see here, this x into y is, this we can write as x multiplied by y. Yes or no? xy is nothing but x multiplied by y. Say multiplied by, say yz can be written as y multiplied by z. Multiplied by, this zx can be written as z multiplied by x. Now see here x, right? We will take it, we will write in a proper order. X we will take in order. Okay. Here 2y are there, y into y, z into z. Now see here same base are there, right? X, here powers are 1, 1. We can add that 1 plus 1 is 2 into, here same base are there. Yes or no? Here powers is 1, 1. If same base are there, we can add the powers. Now here z is z. Same base are there, we will add the powers. The answer is nothing but x raised to 2, y raised to 2, z raised to 2. So this is the way how we are going to multiply. Okay. So this is about your exercise 6.2. So now we come to know that how to multiply a monomial by monomial, right? So now we will study multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. So now we will study how to multiply a monomial by a polynomial. Okay, monomial means an algebraic expression which is containing one term is called monomial. Polynomial means an algebraic expression which is containing one or more terms, and the variable's power should be a what? Whole number. It should be a whole number. That is about polynomial. Now see here, in this we will see the first one, multiplying a monomial by a binomial. So in this we are going to see multiplying a monomial by a binomial. We are very thorough now with how to multiply a monomial with monomial. So now we will see how to multiply a monomial by a binomial. So I will take examples and I will explain you. So 3x multiplied by 5y plus 2. Now see here, this is a monomial. Okay, here 3x is a monomial and this is a binomial. Okay, here 3x is a monomial and this term is a binomial. Now we are seeing how to multiply a monomial by a binomial. Now what we have to do, see students, here each term of the binomial you have to multiply with the 3x. Or you can tell, say each term, say the monomial, this monomial, no, this term you have to multiply with the each term of the binomial. Now see 3x, okay, 3x multiplied by 5y, 5y, okay, plus, here plus is there, no, plus 3x multiplied by 2, okay. The each term of this binomial you have to multiply with this 3x, means 3x into 5y plus 3x into 2. So when you see this, what you are remembering? Distributive property, yes or no? So what is the distributive property of all numbers? A into B plus C is equal to A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. So this is somewhat distributive. This is distributive property, and you know the same thing we are using here. 3x multiplied by 5y plus 3x multiplied by 2. Now see here. Now multiply this. Here numerical coefficients you have to multiply. 3 5s are 15. 15 x 1, okay, plus 3 2s are numerical coefficients you multiply here. 3 2s are 6 x. So this further we cannot add because only like terms can be added or subtracted, yes or no? So this can't be added. Yes, this cannot be added because these are not the like terms. Yes, so this is the way how we are going to multiply a monomial by a binomial. So one more we will consider, minus 3x multiplied by minus 5y plus 2. So what we will do? So this is a monomial, multiplication of a monomial by a binomial. So this the minus 3x you multiply with minus 5y plus minus 3x you multiply with 2. So each term of the binomial you have to multiply with this term, that is minus 3x. See, minus 3x, okay, multiplied by minus 5y, okay, plus, here plus is there, plus minus 3x multiplied by 2. Now see here, simplify this part. Okay, see here, multiply the numerical coefficients. Minus 3 here, minus 3 is the numerical coefficient of this term. Minus 3 into minus 5 is what? Minus 3 into minus 5, it is plus 15. Okay, xy, you write here xy. Now see here plus. Okay, now see here, in this the numerical coefficient is minus 3. Minus 3 into here it is 2. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Here x. Okay, now 15xy plus minus, we have to remove this bracket, plus minus is minus 6x. Okay, now this we can simplify, we can subtract this. No, because these are not the like terms, these are the unlike terms. Okay, unlike terms cannot be added or subtracted. So we will consider one more example. 5xy multiplied by y square plus 3. Now see here, the each term of the binomial you multiply with this term, that is 5xy. Now see here, 5xy, okay, multiplied by y square. Here plus is there, put plus 5xy, okay, 5xy multiplied by 3. Now see here, 5 you keep as it is. Now x. So y into y square is what, student? Here the same variables are there, yes? Sorry, here the same base are there, means we can add the powers. 2 plus 1 is 3, it will be y raised to 3. Plus, here 5, the numerical coefficient is 5, here 3. 5 3s are 15. 15xy. Now further this we can't add, because 5 we can't add means these are not the like terms. Okay. So this is the way how we are going to multiply a monomial by a binomial. Simple. See, each term of the binomial we are multiplying with this term. Yes or no? So this is just like we are using distributive property here. Yes, this we are multiplying with this, here plus, and this 3x we are multiplying with 2. So now we will see how to multiply a monomial by a trinomial. So next is multiplying a monomial by a trinomial. Just now we saw multiplying a monomial by a binomial. Now we will see multiplying a monomial by a trinomial. So I will consider one example. 3p multiplied by 4p square plus 5p plus 7. Now see here, multiplication of a monomial by a trinomial. What we will do? Each term of this trinomial we are going to multiply with this monomial. Now see here, 3p multiplied by 4p square. Okay, here plus is there, plus 3p multiplied by 5p. Okay, here plus is there, plus 3p multiplied by 7. Okay, now see students, you know how to multiply monomial by a monomial. Yes or no? You know how to multiply monomial with monomial. How we are multiplying? So directly we can write here. See, multiply the numerical coefficients. 3 4s are 12. Here P, base are same. If base are same, the power will going to be add. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, here plus is a plus. So multiply the numerical coefficients. 3 5s are 15. Okay, here base is same, right? PP. So add the powers. It will be P raised to 2 plus. So multiply the numerical coefficient. 3 7s are 21. 21p. Now see, is this are like terms? No. Stop here only. Okay. So this is the way how we are going to multiply a monomial by a trinomial. So now we will see the worked problems based on this. Problems. So first one, simplify the expressions and evaluate them as directed. So first one, x multiplied by x minus 3 plus 2 for x is equal to 1. Second one, 3y multiplied by 2y minus 7 minus 3 multiplied by y minus 4 is minus 63 for y is equal to minus 2. Now see here, we have to simplify the expressions. Okay, we have to simplify this expression and we evaluate them as directed. Means we have to simplify, and for x is equal to 1 we have to find out the value. Okay, now see here, solution. So first one, x multiplied by x minus 3 plus 2. Okay, now see how to simplify this. Now see here x multiplied by x minus 3. It's a multiplication of a monomial with a binomial. How we are doing? See, multiplying each term of a binomial with the monomial. Yes or no? See, x multiplied by x. Okay, afterwards here minus is there, minus x multiplied by 3. Okay, here plus 2 is there, plus 2. Now see, same base are there, their powers we are going to add. Yes or no? It will become x raised to 2. So minus x into 3 is 3x plus 2. It is x square minus 3x plus 2. Now what they are told? For x is equal to 1, we have to put where x is there, no? At that place we have to put x is equal to 1. Now see, for x is equal to 1. So put here x is equal to 1. So what it will become here? X square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to, in place of x you put 1. 1 the whole square minus 3x you put 1 plus 2. So 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, minus 3 ones are 3, plus 2. So what is 1 minus 3? It will be minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Okay. The first answer we got, it is 0. So in the similar way we will simplify the second one. So what is second one they have given? 3y multiplied by 2y minus 7 minus 3 multiplied by y minus 4 minus 63. So this we will simplify here. Now see here, it's a multiplication of a monomial with a binomial. How we are multiplying? We are multiplying each term of the binomial with this. Each term of the binomial we are multiplying with the monomial. So what is that? 3y into 2y. See here, 3 2s are 6. Y into y. Here same base are there, means their powers will going to add. It will become y raised to 2. Say minus, here minus. 3 7s are 21. Here 1. You can do like this directly. Now see here minus is a minus. 3 into y is 3y. Okay. Minus minus is plus. 3 into 4 is 12. Okay. Minus 63. Now see here 6y square minus minus is plus. 21 plus 3 is 24. It will become minus 24 1. Now what is minus 63 plus 12? 3 minus 2 is 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. It will be minus 51. Okay. Now for this we have to put, for y is equal to, where y is there, no, at that place we have to put minus 2. Now see here, for y is equal to minus 2, 6y square minus 24y minus 51 is equal to, okay, 6. So where y is there, no, you put the minus 2. Minus 2 the whole square minus 24. In place of y, what is there here? Minus 2 minus 51. Okay. Now 6 multiplied by minus 2 into minus 2 is what, student? It will be 4. Minus minus is plus. 24 2s is 48 minus 51. Okay. Now simplify that. Six fours is how much? 6 4s are 24 plus 48 minus 51. Now simplify this. What is 24 plus 48? 8 plus 4 is 12. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. It is nothing but 72 minus 51. 24 plus 48 is 72. Now you do 72 minus 51. 72 minus 51. 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 minus 5 is 2. It will become 21. Okay. So this is the about the first problem. Now second one we will see. So second one, add in that first one 5m multiplied by 3 minus m and 6m square minus 13m. In this second one, 4y multiplied by 3y square plus 5y minus 7, okay, and 2 multiplied by y raised to 3 minus 4y square plus 5. Now see here, they told to add this, okay. Now we'll do this problem here. Say add. So to do addition, what we will do? We will simplify this, okay. We will simplify the two algebraic expressions here. Now see here, first one. Say we have, they told to add this and this, okay. First we will simplify this. We have 5m multiplied by 3 minus m. So I told you that how to multiply a monomial with a binomial. Yes or no? How to multiply? See here. Multiply each term of this binomial with 5m. What do you do? 5m into 3. What is 5m into 3? 5 3s are 15. Yes or no? 15m. Okay. Minus 5m into m. What is 5m into m? See here, 5m into m. See here, 5 you keep as it is. Here base are same. If base are same, the powers are going to add. That will be 1 plus 1 is 2. It will be 5m square. Okay. We had simplified. And second one, and 6m square minus 30m. This is no need to simplify. Okay, now we will add these two expressions. Say adding, say I told you how to add this, right? Say write the first algebraic expression, that is 15m minus 5m square. Say plus 6m square. The second algebraic expression you have to write below the first algebraic expression in such a way that the like term should be in one column. Now say 6m square is there. I will write here 6m square. Say the like term should be in one column only. Okay. Here minus 13m. Minus 13m. Here it is plus 6m square. Okay. Now we are doing addition, means we should not have to change the signs here. Okay. Now see, what is minus? Okay. Plus minus is what? Minus. 15 minus 13 is 2. 2m. Bigger number is 15. 15 has plus sign. Here nothing is there, means plus sign will be there. Okay. Now minus plus is minus. 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, so which is the bigger number? 6. 6 has plus sign, right? Means bigger number sign we have to put here. So what is the answer? 2m plus m square. In the similar way, we will go for the second one. So second one, see here, they told to add. Before adding, we will simplify this, okay, because here brackets are there. Yes or no? It's a multiplication of a monomial with a trinomial. Here also multiplication with a monomial with a trinomial. You say we will simplify that. So second one, see here, we have 4y multiplied by 3y square plus 5y minus 7. So how to multiply monomial with a trinomial? Just we have solved so many problems. Yes or no? Yes, right? Now 4y multiplied by 3y square. Here plus is there, put plus sign here. Okay. 4y multiplied by 5y. Okay. The minus sign is there, put minus sign here. 4y multiplied by 7. Okay, now see. Now multiply the numerical coefficient. 4 3s are 12. Here base are same, right? The base are same, the powers we are going to add. Y. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, next a plus is a plus. 4 5s are 20. Here base are same, means the powers we are going to add. Say 1 plus 1 is 2. Here minus is there, put minus. 4 7s are 28. So this is a simplification. In the similar manner, we will simplify this also. 2 multiplied by y raised to 3 minus 4y square plus 5. Okay, multiply each term, this 2 with the each term of a trinomial. Okay, now say 2 multiplied by y cube, it is 2y cube. Here minus is there, put minus. I will do directly here. 2 4s are 8. 8y square. Okay. Here plus is there, put plus. 2 5s are 10. Now we have simplified. Now add this. So adding, it will 12y to the power 3 plus 20y raised to 2 minus 28y. Okay, here we have to add no this. Here we got 2y cube. 2y cube, like term should be in one column, minus 8y square plus, okay, plus 10, we write this side. Okay, a like term should be in one, what? In one column. Now add this. 12y cube plus 2y cube is 14y cube. Plus minus is minus. 20 minus 8 is 12. Okay, bigger number is 20. 20 has plus sign, means bigger number sign we have to keep here. 12y raised to 2 minus 28y plus 10. We will keep this as it is. Okay, this is about the second problem. Now we will see the third one. See third one, subtract 3pq multiplied by p minus q from 2pq multiplied by p plus q. Okay, see a solution. They are told to subtract. Now see, first we will simplify this two expressions. So we have 3pq multiplied by p minus q is equal to. Now see here, say multiply the each term of the this binomial with the monomial. Now see 3pq into p, 3pq into p. Here minus is there, put minus. 3pq multiplied by q, 3pq multiplied by q. Now simplify this. Here 3 is a 3, pp, the same base are there, means we can add the powers. 1 plus 1 it will become 2, p raised to 2, q minus 3 p, q into q, it will become q square. Okay, in the similar manner solve this. 2pq multiplied by p plus q. Okay, multiplication of a monomial with a binomial. Yes, say 2pq multiplied by p. Here plus is there, put plus. 2pq multiplied by q. You do 2pq multiplied by q. Now see here 2, the same base are there means we can add the power, it will become p raised to 2 q, okay, plus 2p, q into q, it will become q square. You can multiply directly also, no problem, okay. Now we will subtract that. So what they are given actually, subtract 3pq into the bracket p minus q from 2pq into the bracket p plus q. So on subtracting, what we will give? We will get 2p square q plus 2p q raised to 2, okay. That to subtract with this, that is 3p square q minus 3pq square. So the like term should be in one column only. See here, these are the like terms, no, p square q, okay, these are the like terms. The like term should be in one column only. When they are told to subtract, I told that we have to change the signs here. If a plus is there, minus. If a minus is there, here it will become plus. See here nothing sign is there means it is plus 2. Okay. Now see plus 2 minus 3 is what? It is plus minus is minus. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1p square q. Now which is the bigger number here? 3 is bigger, 2 is bigger. 3 is bigger. 3 has minus sign. Bigger number sign we have to keep. So plus plus is what? Plus. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5pq square. Now which sign we have to keep here? 3 is bigger or 2 is bigger? 3 is bigger. 3 has plus sign. Keep here plus. The answer is minus 1p square q plus 5p q square. Okay. So now we will solve the exercise. Now the exercise 6.3. So first one they have given, carry out the multiplication of the expressions in each of the following pairs. So first one 4p comma q plus r. So third one a plus b comma 7a square b square. Now see here, carry out the multiplication of the expressions in each of the following pairs. So we have to do the multiplication. Okay. Say 4p comma q plus r they have given. So this is a monomial. This is a multiplication of a monomial with a binomial. See a solution. So first one 4p multiplied by now see here 4p multiplied by q plus r. Now see how to multiply a monomial with a binomial. We know no, every term of the means each term of this binomial we have to multiply with this term, that is 4p. Now see 4p multiplied by q plus 4p multiplied by r. So what you will get, 4p into q is pq plus 4pr, 4pr. Okay. Now see here, these are like terms or unlike terms. These are the unlike terms. Unlike terms cannot be added. So in the similar way we will see the third one. A plus b multiplied by 7a square b square. Okay. So each term of this binomial multiply with this term, that is a multiplied by 7a square b square. Okay, the plus is there, put plus, b multiplied by 7a square b square. Now see 7 here, what is this? Here same base is there, we can add the powers. 2 plus 1 is 3, a raised to 3 b square plus 7 a square, here same base are there, we can add the power. 1 plus 2 is 3, b raised to 3. Now see, is this a like term? No, these are unlike terms. Unlike terms cannot be added. Okay, so this is about the first main. Only few problems I am solving in this exercise. Now we will go for third main. So third main, find the product. In that first one, a square into 2a raised to 22 multiplied by 4a raised to 26. Now see here, multiplication of what? This is a multiplication of 3 monomials. Yes or no? Say a solution, a square multiplied by 2a raised to 22 multiplied by 4a raised to 26 is equal to, say multiply the numerical coefficients, that is 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now see here base are same. If base are same means we can add the powers. Here a, the variable is same, we can add the powers. What is that? A raised to 2 plus 22 plus 26. So what is that? 22, 26, 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. It is a raised to 50. Okay. Now we will see the fourth main. Say fourth one, first in fourth A, simplify 3x multiplied by 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find its value for first one x is equal to 3, second one x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, see here solution. So such type of problems we just solved in the worked examples. Yes or no? Now say first we have to simplify this. First simplify this expression. See here, we have 3x multiplied by 4x minus 5 plus 3 is equal to, simplify this expression. See, I will multiply here. This is a monomial, multiplication of a monomial with a, what I can tell, the multiplication of this is a monomial with a binomial. Yes, that's here 3x into 4x. So multiply like this, 3x into 4x, 3 4s are 12, x into x is x square. So why this is x square? Here base is c. We are going to add the powers. Here minus is there, minus. Okay, now see here 3x into 5, it is a 15x. Okay, here plus 3. Now what we got? 12x square minus 15x plus 3. Now we have to put the values, x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2. So for x is equal to 3, for x is equal to 3, so what value we get? 12x square minus 15x plus 3 is equal to, here 12, in place of x you put 3 raised to 2 minus 15, in place of x you put 3 plus 3. Now you simplify this, 12, 3 3s are 9, 15 3s are 45 plus 3. So 12 9s are 108 minus 45 plus 3. So if we simplify that, what we'll get? We are going to get the answer 66. So if you simplify this, you are going to get 66. Okay. Now see here, this is for x is equal to 3. Now you put x is equal to 1 by 2. So for x is equal to 1 by 2. So what is that? 3x multiplied by, okay, we have simplified now, that only we will take. Now what is that? 12x square minus 15x plus 3, okay, is equal to 12, in place of x you put 1 by 2 the whole square, minus 15, in place of x you put 1 by 2 plus 3. Okay, now you simplify 12, 1 by 2 square means, here students, 1 by 2 the whole square means 1 by 2 you have to multiply 2 times. Okay. Now 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is what? 1 by 4 minus 15 ones are 15, 15 by 2 plus 3, 4 ones are 4 threes are 3 ones are 3 minus 15 plus 3, plus 3 is plus 6, 6 minus 15, it will be, okay, here 2 is there. Okay, now see here 3 is there, 3 plus 3 is 6, that is correct, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 minus 15 by 2. Okay, here 2 is there, here denominators are different, yes or no? What we will take? We will take the LCM. What is the LCM of 1 and 2? The LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. 1 2s are 2 1s are 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 15 is how much? Minus 3 by 2. The answer is minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now I will go for the fifth main. Now say fifth one, A, add p minus q, comma q of q minus r, and r of r minus p. So now they told to add this. Okay, to add this we will simplify. Okay, now see here solution. So we have p of p minus q is what? P into p is p square. Here minus is the minus. P into q is pq. Okay, next q multiplied by q minus r. So q into q is q square. Here minus is the minus. Q into r is qr. So last one is simplify. R multiplied by r minus p. R into r is r square minus r into p is rp. Okay, now they told to add it. So now see how to add that. You see here adding. So we will add this. Okay, we will add this expressions. Now see it is p square minus pq. Next one is q square minus qr. We have to write like terms on, it should come in the one column. Here these are not the like terms, right? Now see q square minus qr. We will write separately q square minus qr. Here r square minus rp. Okay, r square minus rp. See here the like term should be in one column only. These all are unlike terms. Now add this. See how to add? Just keep the terms as it is. Okay, how the terms are now like that only you keep it. So now we'll go for the sixth main. Okay, CS C subtract 3l multiplied by l minus 4m plus 5n from 4l multiplied by 10n minus 3n plus 2l. Now see here they told to subtract this. Okay. Now see here how to subtract this. First we will simplify this. Okay. Because here it's a multiplication of a monomial with a trinomial. Here also multiplication with a monomial with a trinomial. We will simplify this. See a solution. 3l multiplied by l minus 4m plus 5n. Say multiply each term of the trinomial with this term. 3l into l is what, students? 3l square. I am writing directly. Okay. Here minus is there, minus. 3 4s are 12. L into m is lm. Okay. Afterwards a plus is there, put plus. 3 5s are 15. L into n is ln. Okay. In the similar way simplify this expression. 4l multiplied by 10n minus 3m plus 2l is equal to. So multiply the each term of the trinomial with this monomial. That is 4l into 10n is 40 ln. Here minus is there, put minus. 4 3s are 12. L into M is LM. Here plus is there, put plus. 4 2s are 8. L into L is L square. See, I am writing directly, okay. Now we will subtract. They are told to subtract, right? Now that is 40 ln minus 12 lm plus 8 L square. Okay, we have to subtract this from this. You see? Next, here simplified expression is here, that is 3L square. See here, we have to write one expression, after one expression below the one more expression should come. We have to take care the like term should be in one column only, okay. Now see here 3L square minus 12 lm minus 12 lm plus 15 ln, okay. They are told to subtract. Subtract means we have to change the sign. Here plus is there means, here plus is there means minus, here minus is there means plus, here plus is there means minus. So what is plus minus? Plus minus is minus. What is 40 minus 15? It's a 25. 25 ln. So which is the bigger number? 40. 40 here plus sign means here plus 25 ln. So minus plus is minus. Minus 12 ln plus 12 ln will get cancelled. Okay. What is plus minus? Plus minus is minus. What is 8 minus 3? 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay. 5 L square. Which is the bigger number? 8. 8 has plus a sign. The answer is 25 ln plus 5 L square. So this is about your exercise 6.3. In next class we are going to continue. Thank you.